Good evening, friends. This was an extremely bad session for the markets. Consecutively, for the fifth day, we ended in the negative. The BSE Sensex fell over 300 points, while the Nifty lost over 100 points after the Ministry of Finance said that India is reviewing its tax treaty with the Mauritius. Now, bulk of the India's foreign investors are believed to be based in Mauritius. Now, this review is sparking fears that more foreign selling in Indian equity markets is likely, given the bulk of the overseas investors are believed to be based in Mauritius to avoid paying the capital gains tax. Added to this fact, the weak European markets as well as the depreciating rupee played a big spoiled sport to the markets, with the rupee hitting 53.94 versus the dollar. Nifty fell 1.95% after falling to as low as 5082 to its lowest in late January, whereas the benchmark Sensex fell around 1.97%. The breadth of the market was negative too. About 632 shares advanced, whereas 2000 shares declined and 710 shares remains unchanged. So breadth is indicating a lot of negative sentiments among the market participants. ICICI Bank and State Bank of India were among the worst hits among the indices. The sector was hit after the RBI's revised Basel III directives. Other than these stocks, the major heavyweight in the index, Reliance Industries, the stock fell around 1.8%. hit by the media reports that the India's Petroleum Ministry is likely to recover around $1.2 billion in cost from Reliance Industries. So the stock was hit badly by this news. Overall, it was not a very great session for the markets. The entire breadth of the market was negative. This, coupled with the fact that we are having terribly bad global sentiments, sparks fear of a more sell-off ahead. The important thing from today's market session which you observe was Nifty ended below the 200-day simple moving average for the first time in the last 2 to 3 months. Now this is a big fear for the markets. In case we sustain below this 200-day SMA for 2 or 3 days, then the selling would continue and the selling pressure would aggravate. And that's all from today's session. Thank you.